I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Thunderstorms continue to develop with a disturbance over eastern Wyoming and a cold front dropping south through tonight. Storms could be severe with threats of wind gusts of 60 to 70, a golf ball size hail from this late afternoon through tonight at 2. There is an enhanced risk of severe storms, level 3 of 5 for areas along and west of a line from Neely to Loop City, Elm Creek, Cambridge, and St. Francis. The slight risk, level 2 of 5, includes locations along and west of a line from Wayne to York, Franklin, Smith Center, and Waukene. Most rain amounts should range a half inch to an inch. Localized heavy rains of 1 to 3 inches may also occur and cause flooding in areas with saturated ground, but nothing widespread for flooding. A ridge of high pressure keeps tomorrow through Wednesday dry. Highs this week peak in the upper 80s to the mid-90s for Wednesday and Thursday. As the high pressure ridge breaks down, chances of occasional thunderstorms return Wednesday night through Saturday night. That next best shot of widespread thunderstorms is Thursday evening through Friday, possibly with severe storms. Highs cool into the upper 70s to the mid-80s Friday and Saturday before highs in the mid-80s to the low 90s on Sunday. For our long-term forecast, temperatures in Nebraska and Kansas seasonal this weekend through early next week. By the middle of next week through July 20th, warmer than normal temperatures are likely. Nebraska and Kansas springfall likely to be near normal this weekend through July 20th. Key weather factors impacting the markets include active weather continuing across the U.S., while there are dryness concerns in areas of the Canadian prairies, Europe, the Black Sea region, and Australia. The next few days, drier air overspreading the south central U.S. should allow flood recovery efforts to accelerate in central Texas. Rainy weather persists across much of the eastern half of the U.S., with only portions of the Great Lakes expected to remain mostly dry. 5-day rainfall of 1 to 3 inches is likely from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. Despite the wet weather, many areas of the central and eastern U.S. experience near or above normal temperatures. For the central and southern plains and Midwest, the rains and warm temperatures benefit corn and soybeans as they head closer to or into pollination. Over the northern U.S. this upcoming weekend through early next week, more rain is expected, possibly lasting into next week. Towards the Canadian prairies, scattered rain missed the drier southern areas. Manitoba, that missed the rain, likely to see heavier rain Thursday and Friday. Across Europe, scattered rain is missing many areas that are very hot and dry, and rain is needed for crops that may be headed into pollination. In the western Black Sea region, there are a couple of chances of rain this week until more widespread rain in a few days. Southwest Russia seeing very little rain with heat building, as many areas have limited soil moisture and are in need of more lasting rains. Southern Australia caught a few showers over the weekend, but drought continues to be a problem for much of the country's wheat and canola. More consistent rain is needed in Australia as crops head towards the reproductive stages in a month or so. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.